हरि करना।
With this, it's a wrap for research methodology. So now we will be jumping into a second module, a second section of intuitive sampling and distribution for you course. That's sampling methods. So here we will be looking into the types of sampling, and we will be exploring each sampling with the example. So now let's look into the types of sampling methods. Sampling methods, or we can also call it as a sampling techniques, used in research to select a subset of individuals or items from a larger population for the purpose of data collection and analysis. So the sampling can be divided into the sampling techniques can be divided into three categories. One is non-probability, second one is probability sampling, and third one is mixed. In non and probability sampling, so in non-probability sampling we have convenience sampling, purposive sampling, and snowball sampling, then quota sampling. And in probability sampling, simple random sampling, stratified random sampling, cluster sampling, and systematic sampling. In addition to that, we have a third category known as mixed method sampling. So sequential sampling and embedded sampling. These are the types of sampling. So now we will look into the each type of sampling in depth. However, for us, probability sampling is very useful more than anything else. So let's spend more time on probability sampling and less time on non-probability sampling. Of course, mixed method also will be useful for us. So we will give more importance to probability sampling and mixed method sampling than non-probability sampling. And this is what the comprehensive overview of types of sampling. This is our navigational map. So now we will begin with the probability sampling first. Then once the probability sampling is completed, such as simple random sampling, stratified random sampling, cluster sampling, systematic sampling, then we will move on to the non-probability sampling and mixed method sampling. So why to wait? Straight, it's time to jump into the probability sampling.